The National Cybersecurity Workforce Framework. The Workforce Framework categorizes cybersecurity work into 7 categories. Operate and maintain. It includes providing the support, administration, and maintenance required to ensure IT system performance and security. Protect and defend. It includes the identification, analysis, and mitigation of threats to internal systems and networks. Investigate. It includes the investigation of cyber events and/or cyber crimes involving IT resources. Collect and operate. It includes specialized denial and deception operations and the collection of cybersecurity information. Analyze. It includes highly specialized review and evaluation of incoming cybersecurity information to determine if it is useful for intelligence. Oversight and development. It provides for leadership, management, and direction to conduct cybersecurity work effectively. Securely provision. It includes conceptualizing, designing, and building secure IT systems. Within each category, there are several specialty areas. The specialty areas then define common types of cybersecurity work.
The figure displays each of the categories and a brief description of each. Operate and maintain. Specialty areas responsible for providing support, administration, and maintenance necessary to ensure effective and efficient information technology, IT, system performance and security. Protect and defend. Specialty areas responsible for identification, analysis, and mitigation of threats to internal information technology, IT, systems or networks. Investigate. Specialty areas responsible for investigation of cyber events and/or crimes of information technology, IT, systems, networks and digital evidence. Collect and operate. Specialty areas responsible for specialized denial and deception operations and collection of cybersecurity information that may be used to develop intelligence. Analyze. Specialty areas responsible for highly specialized review and evaluation of incoming cybersecurity information to determine its usefulness for intelligence. Oversight and development. Specialty areas providing leadership, management, direction, and/or development and advocacy so that individuals and organizations may effectively conduct cybersecurity work. Securely provision. Specialty areas responsible for conceptualizing, designing, and building secure information technology, IT, systems, i.e., responsible for some aspect for systems development.